I'm Scott Allen Miller. It is the 5th of June, 2022. It is Sunday, and we actually have a break in the rain. It has been raining all morning, but it is nice and sunny now. So Kat decided that we needed to run out and go do some exploration of Leonese cuisine. So we are going to look for what is hopefully the street food vendors who are going to be open. It is about 4:15 at this point, so I'm not sure if they've opened yet or not. I have no idea when they close because everybody serves meat, so I never really go eat there. So we're gonna find out. So we're heading to El Centro right now. We're just coming up on El Convento. This morning, I spent most of the morning working because I'm 17 days away from heading out to Guatemala, and so I have to do a lot of work to be ready for that, so I have no free time whatsoever. So I spent the entire morning working in the office in the rain, so that was pretty good, and I did do a little bit of filming, got some shorts out today, and then this evening, I'm actually planning on doing a project with the kids, but that's pretty much my day. So we're gonna head out and see about some street food. We're gonna take you all along with us. Are you gonna get papas fritas?
I don't know. I gotta make sure you have enough.
Oh, I've got some money.
Okay, sure. Yeah,
Y papas fritas.
Y papas fritas.
No tengo papas.
Oh, no tengo? Okay.
Papas fritas, okay.
Solo hamburguesa. ¿Está bien?
¿Se van a sentar o para limpiar el
Sí, sí. We can sit and wait because it's...
Okay.
Well, I'm gonna film, so...
Okay. Can I sit down now?
Yeah. ¿Está bien?
No, sí. Aquí creo que tienen ellos.
We're gonna capture the reaction as you open.
What in the actual? Wow. Wow. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness.
That is hot right off the grill.
Wow. Wow, that's delicious.
So Leonese cuisine is a hit.
Yeah. I'm gonna get back to this.
All right, we are just getting back from our adventure in street food with Kat. We got giant Leonese hamburger, and we stopped and got some fruit smoothies, which were fantastic. So, Kat, your recap of street food for today.
Oh my goodness. Those hamburgers, first of all, as big as your face, right? So, I mean, so tasty, so tasty. Just all the stuff they put on it, from the mayonnaise to everything they put on there is so good. And I took like several bites of it like that, and I'm like, you know, the meat is just so good by itself that I just ate I just took the top half of it and just was eating the meat with I almost tripped, with the bun underneath. But oh, such huge portion, I could only eat half of it. And then that smoothie thing was delicious. It wasn't what I ordered, but it was still so good, because I can't count it in Spanish and I got the wrong number, but still very delicious. Yeah, and excited to go back and try new stuff.
All right, that is it for Sunday here in León. Remember to like and subscribe, leave your comments below, ask your questions, come visit us, share with your friends, put this on Facebook and stuff, on social media, because remember, I don't have Facebook, and I'll see all of you tomorrow.